Hey guys, so this is the Redmi watch. This is a retail unit that I bought for about 4,000 rupees. This does miss out on the SPO2 feature and it's priced like 4,000 rupees. So really I have mixed feelings. Anyway, let's take a look at the box contents. In the box you are getting the user manual and the proprietary charger. That's pretty much it. The watch doesn't have any premium material. It seems all plastic, but it's also very lightweight. But this thing does have that GPS thing, which is good. Also, they claim 350 nits that we'll have to check out outdoors. Anyway, you need to use the Xiaomi Wear app, not the Mi Fit app. And the pairing was pretty easy. The app looks visually appealing, but compared to the Mi Fit app, the Mi Fit app has more customization and settings compared to this app. Also, the watch face collection is pretty limited. There are about 30 watch faces, but they're claiming 200. So we'll have to figure that out as well. Looking at the UI of the watch, it is pretty much unimpressive. It almost takes me 10 years back. I mean, there are no animations. The chip inside is probably not powerful enough to push or drive these animations. But also, if you look at the menu items, are they trying to copy the Apple Watch look? I don't know, but it doesn't look all that good. Also, let me just give you a quick tour of all the items that you get. So the first option is the activities that you can choose, and you can also check out the activities data right here. Also, you have the today's view where you can see what has been happening all through the day. Also, you have the heart rate monitor. You have the sleep. Yes, you can also check the sleep right on the watch, which is nice. Also, you have the breathe sort of exercise, and also you have the compass, which also works. And you have this air pressure thing. I don't know how useful this is, but we'll have to figure that out. And you have the music player, which is obvious. And you also have some nifty tools like stopwatch, alarm, and timer and stuff. But these cannot be added to the shortcuts on the home screen as far as I have used. So that's a bit of a bummer. Also, you have the notifications, and you have this phone finder as well, which works pretty fine. Also, you have this sort of flash thing, and finally you have the settings. You can control the brightness, change the watch faces, and there is that DND, and you can also set the password as well, which is cool if you want to log this, but I really don't know who is going to use this feature. Anyway, so this was a quick unboxing and first impression sort of a video. I'll be posting the preview video in a couple of days talking about both the pros and cons. So that's been it, guys. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.